This is part 2 on how to unblock your root chakra, and we're going to do this right now with EFT tapping, one of my favorite modalities to release negative energy and rewire beliefs. Let's do this. We're going to start on the side of the hand right here. Even though I feel ungrounded and out of balance, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel disconnected from my body and the earth, in this moment, I choose to ground myself and find some balance. Even though I'm struggling to feel rooted and stable, I accept where I am, and I trust that it's safe to take up space in this world. And now we're going to start tapping through the points, starting with the eyebrow. I feel ungrounded and out of balance. I don't feel connected to my body or the earth. I feel unstable and unsafe. I don't feel like I belong anywhere. I feel disconnected from myself. I feel disconnected from my environment. And honestly, it's really taking a toll on me. It's really hard to live this way. Even though I can't seem to find stability right now, I accept this is where I am. And I trust in my ability to ground myself. I trust that by showing up for myself right here, right now, I'm slowly feeling rooted within myself and my surroundings. But there's still a part of me that feels uncertain about how everything is. There's still a part of me that feels scattered and all over the place. I can't seem to focus or stay centered. But that's okay. I love and accept this part of me anyway. In this moment, I choose to focus on my breath. I choose to gently connect with my body. And I'm slowly finding my center and my balance. I feel anxious and worried. I don't feel safe and secure. But in this moment, I choose to release my fears to the universe. I don't need to have everything figured out right now. So even though I feel disconnected and alone, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I may be feeling stuck right now. I feel like I'm not making progress in any area of my life. Everything is so stagnant. But it's okay, because today I opened myself up to feel empowered. I'm choosing to take all of my power back from everyone and everything. And I choose to feel strong and rooted in my body and in my life. I'm letting go of any remaining fears and doubts in this moment. I'm choosing to connect with the energy of Mother Earth. She can help me find stability and my place in this world. I'm learning to feel grounded, centered, and balanced. I'm learning to connect with my body in a safe way. It's safe to be in this body. It's safe to feel all my feelings. I'm always supported and guided by Mother Earth.